Welcome back. It's another Mixology Monday. I'm Bree.
And I'm Lee, and I'm showing you how to make the Queen's Park Swizzle today.
And that's how you make the Queen's Park Swizzle. This drink is really pretty in color. It starts off like that, and once you mix up all the bitters.
Yeah, so if you're serving this at a bar, or whenever I make it at home, I really like the way it looks, so I just floated the bitters on top, but really that doesn't taste as well. First few sips are gonna be all bitters, so what I recommend is just grabbing your spoon or straw and then just mixing it all in there. But as a bartender, I would serve this with the float on top and then instruct the guests to use their straw or something just to mix it all in there. Because presentation's important, so you want to make everything look pretty, but you also want it to taste good.
Definitely does both in this cocktail. It's really minty with those mint leaves. I think everything's really well balanced in this drink.
Yeah, it's basically like a mojito with some bitters in there. So.
Yeah, it's really good. Great summertime drink.
Check it out.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktails just like this, sign up for our cocktail classes. Lee instructs them. He teaches you how to make several different cocktails and some bar tricks. They're really, really fun. The link is in the description below. But until the next Monday Mixology, we will see you later.
Cheers.
Cheers.